Sunrise twist through the open door. Fresh breeze whisper upon the floor. Me breathe in hope, release the fear. Golden steps soon appear. Me see the youth look far and wide, searching path them can't decide. Roll a spin with worry tight, but me show them spark of light. Ancient wisdom hiding tune. Play it soft or play it soon. Guide the mind like gentle tide. Lead them through the changing ride. Street full of voices day and night. Some are sorrow, some are bright. Me walk slow, me listen deep. Hear the promise life must keep. People stumble, people rise. Hope reflecting weary eyes. Golden steps mark every way. Truth reveal when Riddim play. Golden steps of tomorrow shine. Lead the people in a holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong. Keep the youths them moving long. Forward trod with steady stride. Let the wisdom be your guide. Me watch the hillside turn to gold, like story elders always told. Strength return through season tough. Teach the heart to stay enough. People join from far and near. Share the blessings, cancel fear. Golden glow cover the land. Warm each heart and every hand. Crowd unite when the nightfall bend. Share the journey without end. Missy mother hold her child. Calm him with a whisper mild. Missy elder smile again. Free at last from hidden pain. Golden steps rise high and clear. Show the pathway we hold dear. Take courage, keep faith. Time will open every gate. No matter how the worries stay, tomorrow find a brighter way. Golden steps of tomorrow shine. Lead the people in a holy line. Holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong. Tomorrow strong. Keep the youths them moving long. Moving long. March together hand in hand. Build a future, feed the land. Golden steps, pure and true. Lift the spirit, true and true. When the nights I feel too long, sing the golden morning song. Step by step, we rise again. Walk the path beyond the pain.
No, Rasta is so I am on. Oh, I am on. Yo, I am on. Me wake before the cock crow, hear the river flow. Jamani light a bless the earth, the rebirth. Me breathe in peace again, wash away the pain. Morning of Zion rise, beauty fill the skies. Me step out on the grass, do everything new. Me feel your presence strong. Where me belong, me stretch me hand to the east. Give thanks for feast, me no worry about tomorrow, no sorrow. Me hear the drum beat start. Heal me out, me sing my praise for the dawn. Old pain gone, the light touch my face. Sacred place, Jah whisper me name slow. Blessings flow, me walk through the village lane. Hear them call me name, Rasta sing for we again. Me lift my pen, me write the song for peace. Till war cease, me chant the words for all. Big and small, me feel the mountain better days for come, children play in the street. Joy complete, me see the mother's prayer. Hope today, morning of Zion glow, love overflow, yeah. Morning of Zion bright, full of light. Rise up, sing your song, right your wrong. Morning of Zion call, stand tall, let the love unfold. Hearts of gold. See the elder by the gate, talk about faith. Him say son the struggle long, but keep strong. Me nod and smile, me know truth grow. Every dawn a gift, spirit lift. Me walk on the hill so high, touch the sky. Me breathe joy air pure, me secure. No darkness there, light find way. Morning glowing on my chest, Jah manifest, me sing till the day complete. Love repeat, me say the market full again. No pain, me bless the people me meet. Smile sweet, Zion morning wide and free. Harmony, me no fear the night return. Me learn every dawn a sign. All divine, oh yeah. Morning of Zion bright, full of light. Rise up, sing your song, right your wrong. Morning of Zion call, stand tall, let the love unfold. Hearts of gold, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So when the sun go down low, me still glow. Morning of Zion remain true, joy and pain. Dust pan show, sun pan skin. Me step out slow, breathe in. Old road call me name again. Story start where it begin. Me walk path when no sign them show. Elders mark it long time ago. Cracking stone, roots in sand. Truth never need neon sign. Every mile teach me more. Pain and joy share same door. Me carry smoke, me carry thought. Some lesson can't be bought. Me see the city flash and shout, but them light quick burn out. All road quiet, all road wise. It talks soft but it never lie. Me wanna draw and meditate. Franchise me make and twist of fate. No GPS, they guide me soul. Just inner voice take control. All road knowledge, deep and strong. Guide me when the night feel long. All road knowledge, stay with I. More than gold, money buy. Exchange or not. Some teach me more than holy book. Share the spliff, share the laugh. Different paths, same aftermath. Me learn, listen more than talk. Watch the crow, watch the ark. Nature write the realest verse. Blessing hide inside the curse. Me see me youth self in the dust. Full of dream, I'm blind trust. Wish me could one, but life must show. Every man have to walk him road. So me chant for guidance clear. Not to remove the pain or fear, but to gain the strength to stand. When truth heavy in our hand. Some road straight, some road bend. Some teach start, some teach end. No regret, me overstand. Every step shape the man.
me still move slow. Grateful for the road me know. Old dust still pan me shoe. Old road truth still guide me through.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae. Through the valley, long and wide, path of ancient, still we guide. Every stone and every mark lead the way from light to dark. Elder footstep left behind. Path of wisdom, clear the mind. Every mile a sacred tune. Walk beneath the ancient moon. Carve a shape, the totem high. Path of spirit, touch the sky. Every tree, remember name. Path of life, remain the same. Babylon road, built on sand. Path of ancients, bless the land. Everlasting, bold and true. Path of mercy led we through. Heal a walk with staff in hand. Path of ancients, heal the land. Every herb and sacred stone teach the flesh the truth alone. Storm may rise but roots them stay. Path of peace still find a way. Every footstep pure and free. Path of Zion victory. Poets sit beside the trail. Path of ancients never fail. Every echo, every song, keep the spirit moving strong. No corruption, bend the line. Path of justice still divine. Every whisper from the past. Path of love will always last. Warrior lay his burden down. Path of ancients wear the crown. Every fight was not in vain. Path of truth remove the pain. From the mountain to the sea. Path of mercy carry we. Ever pure and ever near. Path of peace remove the fear. Generations chant and learn. Path of ancients still return. Every step a holy vow. Path of wisdom guide us now. Babylon dust may cloud the view. Path of faith still shining true. Everlasting, strong and free. Path of Zion victory. Morning come and voices rise. Path of ancients fill the skies. Never ending, never fall. Path of love unite us all. Every journey bold and true. Path of life renew the crew. Everlasting, pure and free. Path of joy, eternity. Walk side by side. Path of truth, remove the pride. Rise strong and free. Path of Zion victory. Path of ancients wide and pure. Guide the people ever sure. Never breaking, never small. Path of mercy call us all. Forever shining bold and new. Path of life for me and you. Sacred road, so strong and free, part of Zion destiny.
Morning breeze carry the rhythm slow, every heartbeat tuned to the flow. Me step out steady, mind open wide, catch the rhythm as it start to glide. From corner shop to the hillside steep, music echo where the spirits keep. People gather when the drum them call, big or small it unite them all. Me hold the vibes like a sacred flame, lift up the youth where forget them name. Strength return when the roots tune rise, glow like dawn in the sleepy skies. Old man a forgotten tune, young blood move to the afternoon. Songs are heal where the world can't mend, every note like a long time friend. Me feel the burden ease off my chest, Soundwave lift me above the rest. Harmony build like a mountain strong, carry the weary through the day long. Rise up the Soundwave, roll it far, light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore, feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the Soundwave, loud and clean, wash off trouble where we never seen. One vibration, hold we tight, guide the path into the light. Yeah. What no land? Yeah. Me hear the market clash with tune, children dance in the afternoon. Vibes collide but create one line, steady groove of a holy sign. Voices blend like a woven thread, lift the living, bless the dead. Me see resilience in every face, steady steps in a humble pace. Night descend but the spirits stay, no darkness push the sound away. From yard to yard it resonate, break down wall we divide with faith. Roots musician tune the night, guide the people back to light. Every beat rebuild the soul, help the broken become whole. Hold firm, keep strong, Soundwave guide we all along. Through the struggle, through the rain, music is the hidden pain. Forward steps, steady path, lift the present, heal the past. Rise up the Soundwave, roll it far, light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore, feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the Soundwave, loud and clean, wash off trouble where we never seen. Flow through the valley, high and deep, wake the silent from them sleep. Rise up the Soundwave, keep it strong,
12, world asleep, me by myself. Moon watch quiet from above. Nighttime speaking language love. After midnight, truth come out. When I sleep and doubt calm down. Street light hum, dog them bark. Roots music echo in a dark. Me burn soft, me think deep. Some secret only night can keep. Daytime must fall to ground. Real self finally found. Me see fear clearer in the dark, but me also see the spark. Silence show me where me stand. Which part strong, which part bend. Herb no hype me, herb no rush. It just hush the useless fuss. Me reason with me shadow side. No more need fi run or hide. Roots after midnight, speak so true. Show me old and show me new. Roots after midnight, calm me soul. Make me broken pieces whole. Oh, no, nah. The thing about choices long gone by. Some still sting, some make me smile. If me change them, me change me now. So me not done, let them be. Smooth drift like passing thought. Teach me nothing really lost. Everything return one day. Just not always same way. Me hear down far upon the line. Birds soon test them vice in time. 9 prepare for let me go, but leave me wiser than before. Roots grow strongest out of sight. Deep inside, far from light. So me thank the dark and stay until sun came back today. 9 no evil, 9 no wrong. It just helps you listen long. When you sit and truly see, dark reveal reality. Roots after midnight, speak so true. Show me old and show me new. Roots after midnight, calm me soul. Make me broken pieces whole. Oh, no, nah. Sun edge up me stand window. Nighttime lesson fully brew. Me step forward calm and clean. Carry roots from where me be.
Me touch the ground and feel the beat. Drum of life beneath me feet. Wind whisper story long before of elders who opened the door. Me feel the rhythm deep in bone. Roots call me home. Me see the youth lost in a screen. Forget what culture mean, but me still chant ancient song. Keep the roots strong. Jah message no fade. It build like shade. Every tree from seed it grow. Truth we know. Them push the plastic and the lie, but nature never die. Me see the river still flow pure. That me cure. Them concrete cover the land, but just still on. Roots deeper than them plan. Forever man. Roots never die, them live inside. Stand firm, hold the tide. Roots never die, them guide the way. Night or day, me dig me healing sacred soil. Reap me toil, me no need no fancy chain. Me wear rain, roots whisper wisdom low. Just spirit glow, Every chant me send afar, shine like star. Me see the lion in my dream, hear him scream. Guard the roots and guard the youth, speak truth. Me wake and write me song, keep it long. Roots vibration never cease, bring peace. From the mountain to the sea, just set we free. No matter how Babylon try, them can't deny. Roots live on in every heart, sacred art. Yeah, roots never die, them live inside. Stand firm, hold it tight. Roots never die, them guide the way, night or day. Roots never die. Roots never die. Roots never die.
Na Zion reggae man. Yeah, yeah man. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Me rise up before the break of day. Hear the chant in a distant way. Jah whisper plant the seed today. So me dig the earth and pray. Yeah man, me feel the sun kiss me brow. That time in always now. Roots of tomorrow start from small. Grow strong and bless them all. Me plan for the youth, for the poor man dream. Me water it with love, me keep it clean. Me see the land dry, but me still sow. Cause me know Jah love make things grow. Every tear that drop in pain turn to blessing, wash this stain. Me chant for the heart them blind, open up them mind. Na 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 na. Me not trust Babylon gold, me treasure pure and old. The earth speak through the trees, sun live in peace. Me hands dirty with soil of life, still me free from strife. Each root me touch a prayer, Jah dey everywhere. Yeah, me trod through valley of doubt, but me no bow out. Faith on me staff, courage me guide, Jah walk by me side. Me see the people lost in pain, try escape the rain. Me tell them hold on still, Jah have the will. Me give me all for the children rise. Me see the truth in a them eyes, them spirit pure, them light divine. The next generation shine, no greed, no war. Me teach only love in reach. Me see the roots connect, me show respect where roots of tomorrow grow. From the love we sow, water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Yeah, roots of tomorrow strong. Right from wrong, no system can divide. Jah live inside. Boy, yeah, 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 yeah. Me remember my grandmother words, still echo, still hurt. She said, my son, never forget we reap what we said. So me plant the wisdom deep, even when me weak, the roots twist and bind. Old mankind, me say the world still fight. Me shine me light, me build with faith and hand. Jah bless me land, me chant me psalm at night till the stars shine bright. Me no need no fame, Jah call me name. Yeah, me hear the thunder roll, test the soul. Me stand still, no shake, Jah no forsake. Every storm just clear the air, make the roots prepare. Tomorrow no come by luck, we build it up. Me look to the sky and smile, walk my mind wild. Me no worry about the Babylon fall, Jah justice for all. Me no rush the time for come, me chant till it done. Me plant the seed again, for heal the pain. Roots of tomorrow grow, from the love we sow. Water it with peace and care. system can't divide, Jah live inside. Oh yeah. So when me gone, me song remain, flow like rain, roots of tomorrow bloom in every room. Jah light forever shine, all divine.
Chalice near, thought them float, vision clear, blank page wait, night feel wide, smoke drifts off side to side. Me write not fi please the crowd, me write fi free what locked inside. Ink and herb create the key, unlock part of me history. Every sentence come from scar, every rhyme show who you are. Me no polish paint to shine, me leave truth between the lines. Them read fast, but them no see. Depth hide under simplicity. Smoke slow, thought them slow. That's how real message grow. Me no chase it on the chart, me chase clarity of art. Some verse rough, some verse clean. Life no always in between. Smoke between the lines me write, clear the mind, sharpen sight. Smoke between the lines reveal all we fake and all we real. Perfection kill express. Truth sometimes stumble out. Stutter shake then find it shout. Me see me passing on me rhyme. Future knock ahead of time. Herb no write the song for me, it just remove the blindfold key. Me share me page with few, not all. Some is deaf when truth too tall, but one soul catch the spark, and that alone light up the dark. Me write for the quiet mind, them who tired of the grind. Smoke fade, words remain, ink out live the flame. When the chalice empty dry, still me thought them multiply. No escape, just clarity, truth write itself through me. Smoke between the lines me write, clear the mind, sharpen sight. Smoke between the lines reveal all we fake and all we real. Smoke between the lines me write, smoke between the lines reveal. Page full now, night grow thin, morning light soon settle in. Me close book but keep the flame, truth still call me by me name. Zion Reggae, yeah man. High above the clouds so bright, throne of Zion shine with light. Seat of justice, seat of peace, where the wars and sorrow cease. Every stone a crown of love, every step from God above. Throne eternal, pure and true, hold the path for me and you. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand.
from sea to star. Throne of Zion guides so far. Every nation, every land, bow before the holy stand. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. Me see the vision in me dream. Throne of Zion bright and gleam. It says that you don't walk astray. Throne will guide you every day. Teach the heart, to teach the soul. Jah creation make us whole. Keep the love, it keep the light. Throne of Zion shining bright. When the dawn come round again, throne still stand above the plain. Never shake it, never fall. Throne of Jah command it all. From first chant till time is done. Throne forever holy one. Seat of love, of peace, of flame. Throne eternal, praise Jah name. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. Stand firm, stand tall. Throne of Jah above it all. No crown of man, no earthly king. Throne of Zion, everything. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. From dawn to dusk, from birth to end. Throne of Jah forever.
Ay, 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 star sick and the rasik. Me hear a drum beat, call me name. Ancient flame, me feel it deep inside me chest. Jam manifest, every tone a heartbeat strong. Me belong. Drum talk through the tongue can say. Night and day, echo bounce cross hill and street. Spirit meet me moving rhythm. Steady and sure, me pure voice of the drum, no lie. It testify, me see the children sway along to Jah song. Them learn the steps of peace and fire. Lift higher, every strike a prayer send. No end, drum carry message wide across the tide. Voice of the drum, call again, heal the pain. Voice of the drum, speak Jah truth, guide the youth. Me build me rhythm on the ground. Sacred sound, me close me eyes, me vision fly to the sky. Me see ancestors smile. Feel a while, drum beat open the way. Every day when silence fall upon town, me turn it round. Drum call, unity rise, no disguise. Every man and woman here, drop the fear. Voice of the drum me keep in a me sleep. Boom boom, truth in sound. Rebirth found, every hit a prayer call. Heal we all. Drum of life, drum of peace, never cease. Voice of the drum, call again, heal the pain. Voice of the drum, speak your truth, guide the youth. Voice of the drum, beat divine, line to line. Voice of the drum, set free eternally. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So when the night feels still and numb, listen the drum, it's your heartbeat inside. We abide.
Na 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 na. na na na.
Evening breeze on my gentle tongue, calm me spirit from flesh and bone. Sky burn orange, red and blue. Horizon whisper something new. Me stand pon cliff and scan the deep. Hear the memories people keep. Voices echo from distant shore. Stories old and plenty more. Me feel a pull from far away. Guide me thought like break of day. Horizon open like a gate. Teach me say the world can't wait. Beneath the clouds them forming slow. Truth appear in subtle glow. People wonder, people roam, trying to find a peaceful home. Me chance up to calm the breeze, lift the world from silent freeze. Hope return like ocean tide, wash the pain from every side. Voice of the horizon call we near, sing away doubt, silence fear. Every corner of the earth, rise again to find rebirth. Voice of the horizon pure and wide, guide the people as them strive. Let it echo through the land, lift up every heart and hand. Night approach with silver gleam, moonlight bless the flowing stream. Me hear laughter from the square, proof say unity still they near. Elders reason both olden days, youth them follow the brighter ways. Horizon's message travel far, shine like steady evening star. We see our village break the chain, leave behind the secret pain. New beginning come alive, help the weary soul survive. Voices blend as one again, guide the children through the rain. Horizon teach a lesson wise, lift up truth before it dies. Stand tall, hold strong, walk the path where you belong. When confusion cloud the sky, listen close, the truth can't lie. Voice of the horizon call we near, sing away doubt, silence fear. Every corner of the earth, rise again to find rebirth. Voice of the horizon pure and wide, guide the people as them strive. Carry wisdom through the night, turn them shadows into light. Voice of the horizon lead, give the people what them need. If the road feel rough and long, let the horizon be your song. Carry the message soft and free, find the truth meant to be.
Ganja and reggae, yeah man. Me feel the heat rise from me skin, fire burn deep within. Me no burn for hate or fame, me burn for your name. Every spark of prayer, me know Jah the near. Zion flame eternal bright, light up the night. Them try to cool the flame of love, but it rise from above. Me no need no gasoline, just spirit clean. Babylon fear the chant me sing, cause truth when me bring. Them build wall fi divide, but Jah dey inside. Me burn illusion, burn disguise. Open eyes, me burn corruption, greed and lie. Under Jah sky, fire purify my heart, set me apart. me feel no pain. Wash me chin. Pull it on, me look round. See suffer spread, but Rasta never dread. Me share my fire for the coal. Me story told. The youth I light the flame again. Free from chains. Zion fire guide them home. Never alone. Me born for justice true. Me born for you. The world can't sleep in the dark. Me ignite the spark. No power stronger than Jah will be still. This flame never fade. Righteous made it. Jah in a Zion blaze. Light the world in righteous ways. From the hills to the shore. Jah love explore. Fire in a Zion. I reach the sky. Burn away the wrong. Keep us strong. Me remember the stories told by the elders bold. Them say fire teach respect, keep mind correct. So me guard my flame like crown. Never put down it warm the poor man night. Pure delight, me see them try for dim my spark. Still me mark, every rhythm me chant at night. Guided light, me flame no weapon of war. It heals scar, burn away the hate. Open gate, me sit by the river edge. Make me pledge my fire for truth, not fame. Jah name, them ask why you still burn. Me say me still learn. Fire reveal what's real. Jah seal. Me light it up for the world to see. Freedom for we. No fireman can cool this flame. All Jah name. We try in a Zion blade. Light the world in righteous ways. From the hills to the shore. Jah love explore. Fire in a Zion. I reach the sky. Burn away the wrong. Keep us strong. So when my spirit gone, the fire live on. Zion blaze eternal bright. Guide will light, will light, will light. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Me wake on golden sky. Bird them fly. Light kiss the mountain peak. Me ear just speak. Every new day me give praise. Jah ways. Me rise up strong, me heart clean, me live me dream. No worry, no yet me whole, me spirit goal. Me see the sun bless the land, work with Jah and love shine bright like beam. Me supreme, me step through streets with smile. See a while people greet me with respect, no neglect. Golden morning, soul reborn, break the storm. Every breath me take me know, blessings flow. Yeah. Golden morning, light so true. Jah bless me and you. Golden morning, peace me feel, love so real. Me sip me tea, watch the breeze, life at ease. The youth play by the tree, so free. Me pray the world keep calm, full with song. Golden morning, teach again, novin. Me see the elder beat the drum, chant for kingdom come. The village waking song, nothing wrong. Me know Jah plan, secure, that's for sure. Golden morning, pure delight, shine bright. Me no take darkness for friend, light transcend. Every sorrow fade away, new day, golden time, divine design, so fine. me and you. Golden morning, peace me feel. Love so real. Golden morning, rise again. Wash the pain. Golden morning, bless the land by Jah hand. So when the night fade out of sight, me hold the light. Golden morning come again, peace remain.
Na na na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na na na. Oh, 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 oh. Early breeze touch me face slow. Sunrise soft, the world still low. Me light the fire, me calm my mind. Ancient thoughts come drifting time. Me see them rush for silver and fame, lose them soul inna the game. Me choose the quiet, me choose the truth. Herb and meditation shape me youth. Smoke curl eye like prayer go. Me sip life from a humble cup. No crown pan head but me walk tall. Jah voice whisper through it all. Babylon chat but me no reply. Me eyes open, them can't blind eye. Every puff slow down the race. Me learn patience, me learn grace. Book and urban rhythm play. Teach me more than words them say. Me burn not fi escape pain. Me burn fi overstand the chain. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear me sight, sharpen me dream. Me reason with me brethren deep. Some laugh loud, some barely speak. Every story carries scar. Every man know who them are. Smoke unite the mind them wide. Ego drop, no place for pride. No preach upon no golden throne. Just life lesson fully grown. Me see the moon reflect panting. Same light shine from deep within. Night cool, me heart still warm. Herb keep me calm in every storm. Me now worship the smoke alone. Me worship truth, me overstand. Plant a seed, give thanks, move slow. Let Jah work, let wisdom grow. Slow fire, steady flame. No rush life, no chase name. Every breath, a sacred sign. Everything come right on time. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear me sight, sharpen the dream. One-na-na, one-na-na, one-na-na. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear me sight, sharpen me dream. When the ash falls off the ground, silence speak without a sound. Me rise lighter than before. Wisdom knock, me open the door.
sit beneath a mango tree, listening to destiny talk to me. Cool breeze brush me face so mild, nature soothe me like a child. Me watch the world spinning fast, people worry about future and past. But in a decile, truth remain, growth can blossom after pain. Me plant a seed of hope today, water it in every way. Small beginnings turn to might, with patience them grow right. Young ones ask me why life rough, why road sometimes feel too tough. Me tell them stories ancient strong, show them how feel right the wrong. Give them guidance, give them care, let them know Jah always there. Roots connect through deep foundation, building up a next generation. Roots of tomorrow, rising from the ground, spread them through the city, echo through the sound. Hope at the soil where we defend, new creation pon the bend. Roots of tomorrow, hold them firm and true, grow a better future for me and you. Me see elders reasoning slow, passing wisdom them always know. Me absorb it like morning dew, every word feel bright and new. Me carry the teachings everywhere, share them with people who need care. Roots strengthen heart and guide the mind, show the beauty life can find. River flow through hill and plain, teach resilience after rain. Me follow that and stay aligned, let peace and clarity entwine. No hurry can disturb me pace, me plant good deeds in every place. Roots spread wide and unify, reaching up toward the sky. Me whisper thanks for every day, for blessings hidden in each way. Connection deep, vibration pure, roots of love forever sure. Roots of tomorrow, rising from the ground, spread them through the city, echo through the sound. Hope at the soil where we defend, new creation pon the bend. Roots of tomorrow, hold them firm and true, grow a better future for me and you. Me walk the earth with humble stride, knowing roots always provide. Future blooming every seed, grow the love that people need.
Stand, just stretch forth his holy hand. It open wide, it open true. Zion's gate for me and you. No Babylon can bar the way. Zion's gate forever stay. Eternal entrance, pure and strong. Zion's gate, a holy song. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go.
light and free. Zion's gate for you and me. Me walk the road, me hear the call. Zion's gate for one and all. No man denied, no chain can bind. Zion's gate for all mankind. Forever holy, never still. Zion's gate, Jah holy will. From mountain high to valley low. Zion's gate, the path we know. It guide the nations, guide the earth. Zion's gate of holy birth. Forever shining, never dim. Zion's gate, eternal hymn. It welcome child, it welcome all. Zion's gate, more bright than gold. Eternal open, strong and tall. Zion's gate, for one and all. When the trumpet sound again, Zion's gate still remain. It open wide, it never cease. Zion's gate, eternal peace. Forever shining, pure and true. Zion's gate, for me and you. Holy entrance, flame of light. Zion's gate, forever bright. Step in, step through. Zion's gate, forever new. No bar, no lock can stop the way. Zion's gate, forever stay. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. From age to age, from night to day, Zion's gate, the righteous way.
Rise up, my people, this is for my brothers and sisters, yeah, man. So, flow, Mystic River flow, carry where we need to go. Me drop me pen up on the stream, me chase me dream, Jack and pull me home. No need for roam. Me stand by the water edge, whisper my pledge, guide me Jah through storm and rain. Wash me pain, the river sing a sacred song, me sing along. My soul feel new again, free from chain. Me travel downstream slow, learning as me go. Each ripple teach me peace, all worry cease. The water cool me head, me spirit fed. Jah on inna the flow, now me know a mystic river roll. Cleanse me soul, carry me far, carry me free to Zion sea. Mystic river deep, secrets you keep, flow eternal strong, where me belong, where me belong, where me belong, where me belong. Me see reflection of the sky, me spirit eye, every wave a sign from Jah. Blessed me are, me feel the healing star deep in my heart. The river whispers still, follow me will. Me bathe in the holy tide, me heart open wide. Me release what no belong, sing me song. Mystic river calm and wide, Jah inside, carry me truth away to brighter day. Me float and me pray, Jah guide me way. Mystic river speed, strength for the weak. far, carry me free to Zion sea. Mystic river deep, secrets to keep, flow eternal strong, where me belong, where me belong. So when my life turns slow, me let the current flow. Mystic river never end, forever my friend.
Na na na, na na na. Earth firm under me feet, heartbeat. Me carry passport, walk free, balance me. Me roots heavy with history, but me step light with dignity. Me no drag pain through the day. Me learn let go way. Way teach me how to stand strong like through along. Me find out where me come from true, but me future call to. Tradition guide me on, but me choose me land. Me move forward, head out regret. More death, heavy roots like step steel, strong will. Heavy roots like steps flow, forward go. Me see them stuck in yesterday, afraid to change way. Me keep respect yet evolve, problem solve. Balance are the secret code, heavy load, gentle road. Me carry wisdom, drop the pain, remain. From deep brown to open sky, me try. Heavy roots, light steps guide. Heavy roots, light steps free. Just be. Me walk scabby, me walk true. Roots hold, steps we move. Ga-na-na-na. Hey. Early dawn before the night's awake, me feel the stillness shake. Quiet power move unseen, strong yet clean. Me no shout to prove me worth, me let action speak first. In a world obsessed with show, the strength grows slow. Pressure build me in a wall, teach me how to never fall. Me hold composure under test, calm me crest. Them mistake silence fi weak, what them not see be depth me seek. Still water hold the most weight, same fate. Me conserve energy and fire, burn higher. Silent strength, firm and true, pull me through. Silent strength, deep inside, me guide. Me listen when others talk loud, wisdom hide in a crowd. sharpen me sight, prepare me fight. Me nah rush reaction quick, me think me pick. Time reveal who solid stand. When pressure land, no it's fair. Echo God, but quiet straight, carry on. In silence, me build me throne. Power grows, silent strength, calm mature, endure. Silent strength, steady flame, no shame. So when the low fights disappear, my strength still here. Na na na. Oh, oh. Clap tick loud, but me heart stay slow. Me nah race where me nah need go time. My teacher, not a threat, truth no sweat. Them want answer fast like headline news. Quick reaction, shallow views, but truth nah live on surface talk. You prefer quiet walk. Messy lies dress up nice and clean, but them proc when sun intervene. Me choose patience over rush, let meaning flush. Every season kill mask away, what fake can't stay. Truth help me, so it move with care, no need blare. Me watch time expose disguise, open eyes. What build pan rush collapse quick, but truth brick by brick. Truth don't rush, it arrive on time every time. Truth don't rush, it stand tall, outlast all. Me no pressure revelation, me with destination. Some knowledge come only when ready, heart steady. Me see them speak before them, no confusion grow. Me rather listen, observe a line, let truth shine. Truth no fear, inspection lights, it survive. Lies tremble when questions slow. Truth flow. Me match me actions to me words. Let silence speak louder than words. Time got truth like sacred ground, till right moment found. Truth don't rush. Truth don't rush. Truth don't rush. Now man deep. Promises she don't rush. Truth don't rush. Pure and clean, evergreen. When hype fade and nice decay, truth stay. Long after Them say me too soft fi fight, but me shine light, me conquer hate with grace. Face to face, them build empire fi greed. Me so good deed, me chant revolution pure. Me stand secure, me no need no weapon loud. Me move proud, every lyric a bullet clean. Cut through mean, them can't jail me tone. Me stand alone, peace warrior me be. Spirit free, Jah I peace. Stand up strong, right the wrong. Jah I peace. Chant your name, no shame. Oh, oh. Jah I peace. Stand up strong, right the wrong. Jah I peace. Chant your name, no shame. Oh, me walk where hate reside. Love me guide, them mock me style and wear. Me still pray, each step me taking time. Truth me rhyme, peace no weakness. It's just sweetness, me fight Babylon with smile. All the while, me see hope in every face. Love embrace, no more blood fi spill. Jah will, rebel of peace me call. Fi one and all, me hear the trumpet blow. Spirit grow, peace no silence. It's defiance, me lift me voice pon the hill. Still, chop like peace. Stand up strong, right the wrong. Chop like peace. Chant your name, no shame. Oh, chop like peace. Worldwide call, unite we all. Chop like peace. Heart pure, love endure. Oh, me no war, me no hate. Me change the fate. Rebel with peace till the end. One love, me friend. One love. Bribe me. Ay, that's it, gon' do that sick, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Me not shout, me not throw stone, but me stand solid like old. Quiet fire in me tone, me own. Me rebel by choosing peace in a world addicted to beef. Me na echo rage consent, me transcend. Anger loud but short-lived flame. Cumber longer windy gale. Me step different, slow and clear. Low fear. Me question system without hate. Sharp but straight. Me nah need chaos fi disrupt truth enough. When them expect reaction fast, me pause. Outlast stillness, make them uncomfortable. Unstoppable, calm rebel. Steady flame, different aim. Calm rebel, mind awake. No fake. Me resist by staying whole. Protect me soul. Me not surrender joy to fight, that's me right. Me kindness confuse the wicked plan. Stronger than clenched hand. Me not bow to fear command. Stand. When pressure push fini, me breathe free. Me no real power, nah scream. It remains. Rooted and wise, clear eyes, calm rebel, firm and clean, serene. Me change pattern without
From inner peace me start the fight.